sunny with a chance and thunderstorms this morning. At 6:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rosanki, or 9 miles south of Bastrop, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bastrop, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Page, Circle D KC Estates, Rosanki, Upton, Bastrop State Park, Hills Prairie, Northup, Rockney, Watterson, Red Rock, Plum, Buescher State Park, Hills, Manheim, Serban, and Togo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
The fuck? Fuck. That's morning grateful. Well, morning days.